Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to repost your Instagram archive post. You have archived one of your Instagram posts and now you want to repost it. So don't you worry, because I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. So if you like the video, then make sure you have subscribed to this channel and like this video. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then simply come to your profile section by tapping at your profile picture in the bottom right. Just simply tap at these three lines on the top right corner and tap at archive. First, you just reach to your archive post section. So here, if you just get your archive stories over there, just what you all have to do is just tap at this little drop down arrow like that and tap at posts archive. You will get your archived posts which you want to repost onto your Instagram profile. Or just simply select your post which you want to repost onto your Facebook profile. Just to repost, simply tap at these three dots on the top right and tap at show on profile like that, and tap at show on profile to continue. So that's how you can easily like repost archive post on Instagram. So let's come back and refresh it to show you that. This here you can see we have just simply reposted our one of archive post on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you like this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So I recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.